And I will talk about PySpy. Don't worry, it's not any. We are not spies, but it's a profiler. So is anybody here who doesn't know what profiler is? So profiler is tool which is used for detection which part of code takes how long, which are the slowest part more of the code. So with profiler you are able to detect which line of your code should be optimized for better performance. SpyPy is different from standard profiler in Python. It uses system syscalls to collect information about the running processes, so it's not attached directly to the process, but it's monitored from some system routines. There are details on their page if you are very interested into low details. So this PySpy profiler is used for running application. If you have some running demo in production and it starts to behave slow and you need to detect what is wrong there, which parts are the slow, so you can connect the production and no system and your application is not affected by this profiler. It's a sampling profiler, so it collects samples from system and it will output results in form of top command. You know top command, processor, CPU, RAM, etc. PySpy can run on Python 3.7, Python 3.3+, including Python 3.7, and it works on Windows because topic today is Windows. So I'm keeping the topic. Everything is written in the PySpy GitHub page. It's written in Rust, but it's hacked into nice real package, so it's really easy to install. Unfortunately, it's still like alpha version. It was created this year, I think. I learned about this week or week ago. So let's continue. Installation. This is installation of PySpy. Any questions? That's all you need.
Any samples?
Sorry?
Sample output?
No.
Can you run it right now?
Usage. So let's talk about usage. So first line is about connecting the running process. Second line is about connecting the running process and printing current backtrace. Third one is connecting the running process, and you may create nice picture of your internals. And the last command, it will run program for you. And now, the best part, demo. So wish me luck. I will see.
Mirror the screens.
Sorry?
Mirror the screens.
No, I need both. Where is my mouse? I can see it. So, do you see it? Right. Yeah. I have prepared a sample daemon for you. So its basic function is just to sleep and sleep and sleep. So please note 3 functions. It's called slow, medium, and fast. Slow has nested slow, which is 0. seconds. Medium is 0.05. Fast is 0.01. So basically the daemon just prints its PID because I'm lazy, and it cycles indefinitely, and it just waits. So okay. So I will start the program in Python 3. So PID is 8929. And now I can just run the PySpy. I have installed it previously. So if I remember correctly, it's 899, right? Yeah. So top-like output. It's real-time monitoring, or it's a really great simulation. So you can see functions which are called. So yeah, nested slow function, medium, fast, and slow function. You see, press asterisk, not asterisk, question mark, and you can change sorting. So I want to sort total time, it's aggregation of total time. So obviously module is the it takes the longer because it's the whole program. Then slow and nested slow are cycling because nested slow is called from slow. And
can you have an average time per call?
Unfortunately, no. This is everything you can get from them.
Okay.
Basically, I'm curious about number 3, what is how the time of the particular function. So nested slow is the slowest function. It takes the most time. The medium and the fast is the faster. And I can reset it from start. So, the other option is just dump. So you are connected to the process, and you can dump all traceback which is currently running, not thread which is currently running. If you have multiple threads, all threads will be printed. So you can easily check where the application is stuck, for example. And last one. And I forgot to check.
Flame.
Flame. Yeah, so I collected 400 samples, 0 errors.
Can you change the number of samples?
Yes, I can. It's option D, or I can print all the options. So option D is how many seconds it will be collected. How many seconds will be collected, and rates amount of samples per second. So you can change time, you can change amount of samples.
Yeah, just open the image.
Yeah. Let's try. Okay. Click. So this is the main module. Fast function, medium function, and the slowest function is slow, and the only part of slowest function is nested slow. So basically, this is super simple program, so you get super simple output. On the internet, you can see much better pictures. I'm trying to show you. From the official page. So if you have something more complicated, you get bigger tracebacks, bigger output, and bigger picture. So that was demo. Yeah, not this missing feature. I really miss the counter of execution per function, because if one function takes 5 seconds and it's executed once, or it's executed 1 million times, it's quite different. But this is nice start where you can use Python standard profiler after. So you can check this semi-production and then you can go with your local debugger with the particular functions you identified here. Yeah, and it's still alpha, it's still quite new, so no guarantees.